Hi everyone, it's David here at Digitrains. I hope you're all well. Here is a video of a recent sound installation completed by John D from our workshop team. This time on a very smart little Hornby J15. John installed a Zimo MX648R sound decoder loaded with our ZS030A J15 active drive sound project for Zimo decoders and a Rails exclusive 15mm by 11mm by 9mm speaker. This is a premium active drive sound file, so features braking on F2 and light engine mode on F5. Well, I hope you've enjoyed the video and found it useful. If you're watching on YouTube, please don't forget to click like and subscribe so don't miss out on any future videos. And if you're interested in getting decoders, sound or non-sound, installed in your locomotives, please get in touch with our workshop team, either over the phone on 01522 527 731 or via email johng@digitrains.co.uk. Thank you, and we'll see you again next time.